Brian back here with a look at Beam. All right, I absolutely love this Fibonacci. All right, does this thing give absolutely perfect price targets or what? Look at this, the 1.618, 0.036. Let's put a line up here. Let's just move this up here. Right, yeah, right about there. Look at that. Almost nailed it perfectly. All right, the next target up for Beam would be up at 0.052. All right, we're going to take a look at this chart here in a second, dig into it, and see how soon we could be heading up to them targets. All right, over in Discord, I got to tell you guys, if you haven't signed up as a member yet, we have 90 some members now. Please look into it, okay? A level 3 membership is $14.99. That gets you access to 9 hours of videos, 20 videos to teach you how to do this stuff over here in the charts, how to use all these tools. Plus, it gets you in our Discord. All right, these guys are making killer trades over there. I was in there all day yesterday trading from 4 in the morning until it was pretty late. But we got a pile of new people. Welcome everybody. Get in Discord, and I'm telling you, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but you will, you have a very good chance at making some money over there. We got some great guys over there. We have some heavy hitters over there too. All right, it's not just people with $100. These guys have tens of thousands of dollars over there. Some of them, So sign up, spend the $15. Learn how to look for price targets. Learn how to chart these charts. We're going into a bull run, guys. You're going to want to learn as much as you can. And over here in Discord, you're going to learn from some very, very good people. All right, so consider it. If you got it, do it. All right, let's move on. Over here on the crypto bubbles here. Over here we got Beam. Market cap 1.75 billion, rank number 51. 24-hour volume is at 67.35 million. Almost in the top 50 now, number 51. A lot of green out there today. Bitcoin's moving back up here, trying to bust back up in this wedge. You can see here, this wedge forming flag, whatever you want to call it. The measured move for this, if it breaks to the upside, it broke down to the downside. It's trying to get back in there. Measured move to the upside is right around 54,000. The measured move down is right around 50,000 bucks. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what this thing's gonna do. I can see kind of like an ABC forming in here. If you take a fib on here, if this thing comes up. Let's get this in there right here. If this stops out at the 618 here or the 702, say it stops out here, all right near the top of that wedge, then we're coming down to that 50,000 mark, somewhere like that. If it stalls out here, keep a very close eye on this. All right, you're going to want to see it break up past 52.3. all right, that would be the upside of this wedge. That would get it out of any kind of A, B, C correction here. So the 52.3, you want to see it take that out. This dotted line up here is the 702 Fibonacci, up at about 53,060, something like that. That's 702. We've gotten close to it up here. I just think we're going to have a problem up there. Maybe. We'll see. All right, but Bitcoin looks like it's setting up for a move. The 12-hour RSI is at the bottom, oversold, heading up, bullish. The 8-hour on the bottom, 23 and a 22, trying to roll over here. All right, you can see it's showing a little bit of weakness now. The 4-hour is bullish, a 54 and a 50, and then on the daily, we're actually pulling down here. Now we do have some weekly. Well, maybe it wasn't on here. Or is there bearish divergence on this weekly? Yeah, we have this high and we have a lower high. All right, on here, and then on price action, of course, the same areas. We've had this high, then we had a higher high. So a little bit of bearish divergence down here, but the weekly is still bullish on Bitcoin. And then that monthly is right up at 100 and 100. Okay, right at the very, very top. Over on CoinGlass, 24-hour liquidations, 129.2 million. That's down 36.76% from yesterday. Open interest is at 50.8 billion. It's up another 3%. 24-hour volume for the whole crypto market, 141.2 billion. That's down 4.5% from yesterday. All right, let's take a look at this beam chart here. All right, we got some interesting stuff going on here. Number one, we called this breakout, this wedge breakout. Okay, that target. We took the width of the wedge, put it up here. All right, we came up, we hit that target, then we had a pullback here. All right, so we hit that target. We put a Fibonacci on here because we broke through that area. That gave us the 0.0369 target. All right, and you can see how close we came to that. All right, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 waves up here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And an Elliott wave. After you have 5 waves, you usually have an ABC correction. What makes me think that? All right, the daily is bearish here coming down. The 12-hour, we have bearish divergence here. All right, we have this high, a lower high, and then a lower high. And on price, we had this high, a higher high, and a higher high. On the 8-hour, we have bearish divergence. The 4-hour, we got some bearish divergence here also. So I'm expecting probably an ABC to come in up here for beam. You know, that would be my, unless Bitcoin goes on another run here and pulls everything up with it. That could happen also. That's just how Bitcoin is. You know, if it takes off, everything takes off. Now you do have a trend line on this. You know, you can keep an eye on this thing. This trend line goes the whole way out here. Put a trend line on there and keep track of your trend. If you lose this, then there's a change of trend. All right, kind of maybe an ABC in here forming. I would watch for that. Now we did a 618 pullback on this one move here. We go out on the daily. All right, and we take a fib from this wave to that wave there. Right to the top here. You can see we came down and hit that 618 exactly. That's what you look for on a pullback. Got a lot of wicks up here. You know, a lot of buyers and sellers up in here. Okay, a lot of people use this Fibonacci. A lot of traders, pro traders, they see that target was hit, so they're taking profits. You got other people stepping in and buying. That's what all these wicks are. Indecisive action going on in here right now. Kind of a evenness between the buyers and sellers today there. All right, you can see that the 618 was hit here. Me personally, guys, with all this bearish divergence going on down here, I'd be looking for an ABC. You know, maybe this could be an A wave coming down, a B wave up, and then a C, maybe back down here to the 618 or 702. That's what I personally would be looking at, unless Bitcoin takes off. Okay, so definitely keep an eye on that. But you could see a corrective move coming in here. You know, this could come down for your A, your B wave up, then your C wave down to a 702, and then this corrective mode would be over, and then we could concentrate on moving back up. Now, I didn't see anything in here, you know, with a Fibonacci. We poked up here a little bit towards that target area, then we got rejected here, and we're just pulling down through. So me myself, I'd be looking for a pullback, possibly back down. You know, let me see here. Let's put this back on here. Look how well these work. You know, if you're trading, that's what I mean. Sign up for that membership, guys. I'm telling you, I could charge a lot more than $15. That's for sure. I mean, just the Discord alone, with the trades them guys are putting out over there, the trades we've been hitting. Myro the other day absolutely destroyed it. I mean, people were making. There's a couple in there made 4,000. Numerous 2,000s, hundreds of other $200, $300 winners, not hundreds of them. Yeah, I meant hundreds of dollars worth. All right, so I'm trying not to, I'm not leading you wrong here. We had this 618 pullback. If this ABC comes in here, you could see something on the lines of, an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave back, maybe back down to the 618 again, and then reset and then get out of here. Unless Bitcoin takes off. All right, now if Bitcoin takes off and starts running, the next target up here for Beam is up at 0.052. But me personally, I would be watching for an ABC, and then we can start thinking about the 5 cent level. All right. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.